Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I have a little, quite large package here. And I ordered some things from Funko Europe. And I know that I ordered 4 sodas. And they are mystery sodas. And they were on the side like this. But I know almost for sure that they just like randomly picked 4, put them in a box, and here they are, and I don't get like the magical design that they showed on the website. And I also ordered 2 Funko Pops, and I already don't know what they are anymore. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, so this is new. So this is not the plastic they used, and this is recycled paper stuff. That's good. Okay. This is a good one. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, this is what I heard. Ah. So this is the Boba Fett comic cover, and I was eyeing this for a long time. And I was like, okay, just let's get him because I really want him. And this is so cool. I'm going to get him out of the box for you so you can see how this looks. This is making so much noise. Also the dogs are making a lot of noise on the background, but this. Look. Oh, this is really so cool. So all of this is like acrylic, so there's no dust coming on the inside. And here on the back you can see the little holes, so you can hang it on the wall. Okay, so I think I lied. I think I only ordered the big Funko Pop, and the others are sodas, and they're all individually packed in the paper stuff. So I'm just going to get one out. First one I'm getting, it's Sally! Oh my god, I'm happy with this one. It's Sally! Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, and the second one is Luke Skywalker. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, 2 more to go. And the third one, it's Ariel! Oh my god, I love this. Okay, last one. Last one. Ooh, Carnage. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Carnage one, and look how cool this is looking. And here is on the back side, and I don't know what the chase is, but I see some things like sticking up. So if it is the chase, I think we will see it very soon. And where can I open this thing? Hello. And put it there so I cannot see the box opening. Oh, he doesn't have the thingy, so it's not the chase. Ooh. It's really creepy looking. Oh my god, I love this one. Ooh, look at his little butt. This is so funny. So the puck flipper thing, and it said it is Carnage, and it's 1 out of 8,400. Okay, so I think for the next one I am going for Sally. Yeah. And I really don't know what the chase is looking like. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty! Look at her! Okay, so I think it is the normal one. And, oh, it says Sally. And the back also says Sally. Okay, so now I am going for Luke Skywalker. Again, I have no idea how the chase looks like. I'm curious if he's supposed to look like this or this is a chase. Ooh, it's a bobblehead. Okay, I'm way too curious now. What does it say? It is Luke Skywalker. It's a normal one and it's 1 out of 8,400. Okay, last but not least, it's time for Ariel. So I think for this one, for the chase, it was something to do with her being all blue. I don't know for sure. I see some red hair. Oh my god, she has a little bag and a dingle hopper. This is so cute. Let's see, I think this is just a normal one. And no, you found the chase. No. Okay, this is not correct. It says you found the chase, translucent blue Ariel. She's not blue. Okay, so they made a mistake. But I think I'm happier with the normal one than a translucent blue one, but okay. Okay, so this is the haul and I am really happy with my Funko order and I really love the mystery soda, so couldn't have been better. And I want to thank you for watching and I really hope you liked it. And if you like this video, please push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to, because it helps me out a lot. And hopefully I will see you next time. And I also ordered and I also ordered 4, no 2. It is 1 out of 8 on